Welcome to PIERRE Academy. In this video, we will show you how to connect a magnetic neck sensor. First, we need to connect the 12 volts. Next, we'll need an input. In our case, this will be input 1. Now we have everything connected. Let's power up the system. As you can see, the light is green, which means the system is powered. Next, we'll open the Partner app and select our controller. Go to the Input section, click on Add, and select the contact sensor. We'll name it like a magnetic sensor. Now, we select the Academy dashboard and choose the pin. Since we've connected it to pin 1, we'll select the first pin. Click on Save and return to the user app. You'll see the magnetic sensor appear. Currently, it shows as open. Now, when I close the door, it switches to close. When I open it, it switches back to open. This makes it easy to see whether your door or garage door is open or closed. That's it. Thank you for watching.